Here are our kinematic equations as well as these position, velocity, acceleration, and time elapsed quantities. So write these down, it will help you. And just understand this. So for position, it's measured in meters, velocity, meters per second, acceleration, meters per second squared, and time elapsed is in seconds. Okay, so the thing that I really want to point out is, hey, you know what? Maybe your teacher doesn't explain it exactly like this using xi and xf, vi, and vf. Maybe your teacher actually uses x naught and xf, or just x naught and x. Or, I don't know, I've never really seen this, but maybe your teacher actually says x1 and x2. Either way, what these represent is an initial position and a final position. And however they want to go about describing the subscripts is up to them, and it's completely fine. There's no, it really should be a little bit more standardized, but it isn't. And possibly even for average velocity, maybe your teacher writes it out like this, really to explicitly define the idea that that's the average velocity. But either one of these two is correct. Same thing with acceleration. Maybe instead of delta t, maybe they actually prefer, hey, you know what, let's explicitly say it's our final minus our initial. And maybe they actually don't use the final and initial. Maybe they use just t and t naught, which is this over here. That's pronounced not, and I believe that's spelled K-N-O-T. Yeah, so these just represent, hey, you know what? It's the initial, it's the final. And you know what? I didn't actually describe before. Maybe they don't have, your teacher doesn't even have the kinematic equation written like this. Maybe they actually have it written like this. And this delta just represents a change. The change in a position over the change in time. So your teacher might be describing it like this, but understand that's just simply that. It's the final position minus the initial position. So do me a favor, don't post in the comments saying, hey, you know what, you're wrong. These aren't how they should be. My teacher teaches it this way. It's really just a matter of preference on how the teacher actually goes about explaining it. This is the way that I'm going to do it. I'm going to consistently use this notation here. So this is the way I'm going to be describing it. If you want to use the way that your teacher is doing it, that's completely fine. But I just want to have that explained to you.